Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wasallam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adam Haikal bin Muhammad Rafiq.
My name is Iskandar Zulkarnain bin Johari.
My name is Muhammad Izzy Rishad bin Razuli.
And my name is Muhammad Ashraf Fakri bin Musa.
Today, we would like to present about differentiation. So, let's get started. What is differentiation? In mathematics, the derivative of a function of a real variable measure that sensitivity to change of the function value, which is output value, with respect to a change in its argument, which is input value. Derivatives are a fundamental tool of a calculus. For example, the derivative of the position of a moving object with respect to time is the object velocity. This measures how quickly the position of the object changes when time advances. Reasons enable us to calculate rate of change, which is calculate the maximum and minimum value of any function. Simplify understanding of physics law. Assist us to making accurate prediction.
What differentiate can do with life? Differentiation is important to engineering courses because differentiation and integration are particularly useful in the practice of engineering and generally used for optimization and summation respectively. The differentiates that perception for example, dispensable incidental information to be screened out while one learns to distinguish the essential characteristic of sensory pattern.
Okay, now the problem statement. The problem statement is Adam is riding a motorcycle and accelerate the motorcycle at the constant speed on a highway. After a long journey, Adam identified his motorcycle tire was punctured, an object during on the highway. Assuming the tire is spherical with radius of 23 cm and the volume of tire is decreasing at the rate 3 cm cube per second. We need to find out the difference of the tire radius after the tire was punctured by an object. What application we can use in this situation? In this situation, we can use the rate of change and spherical formula, which is V equal 4 over 3 pi r cube to find the new radius.
How to determine and what method you use in rate of change.
If we use only the beginning and ending data, we would find the average rate of change over the specified period of time. To find the average rate of change, we divide the change in the output value by the change in the input value. The method that we use to solve rate of change differentiation is chain rule method.
Calculation and problem solving. Given that the volume of the spherical tire is 3 cm power of 3 per second, and then the radius is 23 cm, and the formula that we use for spherical volume is 4 over 3 pi r power of 3. Then the method that we use in this situation is chain rule, which is dr over dt equals to equals to dr over dv multiplied by dv over dt. Substitute value. First, we need to differentiate the formula of the spherical, which is v equals to 4 over 3 pi r power of 3. Then dv over dr equals to 4 over 3 pi in bracket 3r power of 3 minus by 1. Then dv over dr equals to 4 pi r power of 2 over 1. Then we need to change the position between dv and dr, and we will get dr over dv equals to 1 over 4 pi r power of 2. After that, we use chain rule method, which is dr over dt equals to dr over dv multiplied by dv over dt. Dr over dt equals to 1 over 4 pi r power of 2 multiplied by 3. Then we will get 3 over 4 pi in bracket 23 power of 2. Dr over dt equals to 3 over 6.648 multiplied by 10 power of 3. And the final answer, we will get 4.513 multiplied by 10 power of negative 4 centimeter.
Okay, now the conclusion. In conclusion, the differentiated instruction is a way to reach students with different learning styles and different abilities to absorb information and different ways of expressing what we have learned. Then, we have find the radius after the tire was punctured, which is r equal 4.513 multiplied by 10 power of negative 4 centimeter. In our daily life, we can apply the technique in solving application of differentiation. Differentiation are made in many engineering and science problems, especially when modeling and behavior of moving objects. We need to think over and over again to solve the differentiation situation. If students proficient in this topic, they will be great implementing them into math and science lessons.
Reference. This is the reference that we use to help to complete our presentation. First, we use Google to find the meaning of the differentiation. And then we use YouTube to watch and learn the video from our senior. And then we use Chido's website. And that's it. Thank you.
Okay. That's all from us. Thank you.